Walking through our showroom, I just noticed this new LG refrigerator. This is the LG Signature Counter Depth Insta-view with some really cool features. Check this out. Insta-view, tap on the glass, the LED, but there's a little door open. Put my foot there right in front of that eye, door pops open. This is great if you have a bunch of groceries or if you have a platter. It'll kick it open and you can kind of nudge it fully open. The other thing that's really cool inside, stainless steel interior, but check this out. This is a nice custom chill area, so you can put small produce, you can do quick access items. Really, really cool. The other thing that's cool about this is this door will pop open if you have LG's ThinQ app. So really, really cool. The other thing that's cool is that all of these compartments, check that out. When you open the doors, the drawers automatically pull open. That is awesome. And they retract when it's ready to be closed. LG has done it again. Great unit to check out. Be sure to look it up. Go to donsappliances.com. Let us know what you think of some of these cool features.